Hey there. Have you ever wondered if you really need a car accident lawyer in Anaheim? Well, let's break it down together. First off, let's talk about minor accidents. If you've been in a little fender bender with no major injuries and it's pretty clear who's at fault, you might be able to handle things on your own. California operates under a tort system for car accidents. That means the person responsible for the accident is liable for the damage. Simple, right? But here's where it gets tricky. What if fault isn't so clear or there are multiple parties involved? In those situations, having a car accident lawyer in Anaheim can be a game changer. They'll help you navigate the claims process and negotiate with insurance companies. Trust me, it can save you a lot of headaches. Now let's talk about serious injuries. If you've suffered major injuries like brain trauma or spinal damage, or if the accident has had a catastrophic impact on your life, this is when legal assistance is crucial. California law says you deserve compensation not just for medical expenses and lost wages, but also for pain, suffering, and a diminished quality of life. An experienced lawyer ensures you get a settlement that truly reflects your losses. And what if the other party disputes their fault or worse, blames you? This is where things get dicey. California's comparative fault rules can reduce your compensation if you're found partly responsible. An expert car accident lawyer can argue your case and minimize any fault attributed to you, maximizing your potential payout. So, why is having an Anaheim car accident lawyer so important? Choosing the right attorney can make a massive difference in the outcome of your case. Firms like RTM Law specialize in vehicle accidents and know the ins and outs of local laws. They provide assertive representation and personalized attention, aiming for the best possible results for you. If you find yourself in a car accident in Anaheim and face injuries, disputes over fault, or complex legal or insurance issues, reach out to an attorney. RTM Law APC is ready to evaluate your case and offer the guidance and support you need. And the best part? They work on a contingency fee basis, so you don't have to worry about expenses until they win your case. Contact RTM Law today, your trusted injury advocates in Anaheim. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.